in 5 minutes.
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
So what we have here, your radio is powering up, how you can see, but it doesn't work, doesn't make any sound. And also when you turn the blinker, it doesn't make any sound as well. So what you need to do, you need to take it off your driver's seat and you will see the amplifier right here. So you just have to open it.
Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
So what we have here, we have fiber optic connection right here. These two wires, one of them lighting up, another one is not. So we need to take like a 1/2 inch pipe and connect them together. Just like that. And let's see what we got here. Now, boom, our radio is working.
It's as clear as night.
And you can hear your blinkers. That's it. Less than 5 minutes.